Hello friend, welcome you again. Now I'm going to start a new series of tutorial about figure preparation in Adobe Illustrator, a most widely used and most popular vector graphics based application. I will try to demonstrate you most of the things that generally required during the figure preparation, like figure size, resolution, image import and alignment, import of data from various resources and format like PDF, Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Graphite Prism and many more. And I will also demonstrate you about text management in figure and also show you the how you can export figure in desired format and resolution. So let's start. I am using the version 27.3.1 of Adobe Illustrator, and to open the new document you can click here, or you can just click here in the file new, or you can use Ctrl N. In the new document window you can see here the preset that Adobe Illustrator provides you can use to make the illustration, but in most of the cases in figure preparation you need a specific size for your publication, so you can use the right side option here. I'm going to first rename the document figure 1.1, and the next is width and height, and the right side you can see the unit of measurement. You can change according to your requirement. I'm going to change centimeter, and here I'm going to add value 18 centimeter width and 12 centimeter height, and orientation will be changed according to your value that you are putting here. And if you want to make output more than one, you can increase this number here. Bleed, this is important for the printing purpose, but I'm not going to discuss about the bleed option. In the advanced option you can change the color mode if you want to change, and raster effect I'm going to select maximum, and these options are very flexible. You can change anytime during your figure preparation, so don't worry about the setting that you are doing here. You can change anytime. Click here on the create. First thing I suggest you click here on the window workspace and reset your workspace so that you can see the default value, and also make the ruler in your document. For this you can click here on the view option. Here you can see the option ruler, so ruler, Control R. You can use the shortcut or you can just go to the view and ruler. Now you can see the ruler at the top and the left side, 0 to 18 centimeter and also 0 to 12 centimeter height. And you can change the unit now from here, like centimeter, millimeter, what you want you can change here. First I'm going to show you how you can import the images in the Illustrator document. For this click here on the file, place, and shortcut is Shift Ctrl P. Select your image, click here on the place. Now you can see here, select the location where you want to keep your image. So image is very big in size and showing the cross in the image, it means this image is not part of this document yet. You have to embed this image to make the part of this document. But before this I'm going to resize this. For the resize, select the selection tool here, and you can just click here on this corner and press shift and hold the shift button, and you can drag the mouse by pressing the left key. All the key that I am pressing you can see on my desktop at the bottom. Resize your image, and the better way to resize the image is to select this image. At the right side you can see width and height in the transform option. This is showing the width and height of this particular image. Make sure that your image is selected. Now you can manually add the size of your image, like I'm going to put the value 6 centimeter width, and this option is for to constrain the or maintain the ratio of width and height. If this is checked, this will make the ratio automatically for the height. Like if you just press enter, according to the width this maintain the height like 3.375 centimeter. But if you uncheck this will not happen, so make sure this is active. And now I'm going to click here on the embed. Now you can see cross sign is not showing here, so this image is now embedded in your document. And further, if you want to change the size, just select the image and click here on this. I'm going to add 5 centimeter, press enter. So your image size is 5 centimeter for the width. For the second image, I'm going to click here on the file, place, select the image, click here paste and select the location here. So image size is very big, so I'm going to zoom out. So for this I'm going to press and hold the alt button and I'm dragging the mouse wheel, zoom in and zoom out. Again press the shift button and resize. And to make the document or artboard in a full size, press Ctrl 0. So you will see your document is full size in this window. Now select your image. Again just put the value 5 centimeter, press enter. Your image size is set according to the previous image. Click here on this embed. Now this image is also embedded in this document. Now I'm also going to show you how you can crop the image in Illustrator document. So for this I'm going to add the file again and click here on the embed to embed the file. And to crop, here you can see the option showing here for crop image and at the top as well. But if you are using the workspace essential classic, but in any other cases, click here on object, crop image. Here you can see, and you can see here a dotted line. So you can select your area where you want to crop your image, and you can also assign the width and height from here. Like I'm going to assign the width 6 centimeter and height 5 centimeter. Now you can see the size is changed and you can select. And now click here on the apply. Your image is cropped according to the width and height that you have provided here. So it is very easy to crop the image in Illustrator in a very precise size. But I'm going to delete this. And next I'm going to show you alignment of the images in the Illustrator. For this I'm going to duplicate this object. I'm pressing the alt button and drag with the left key of mouse. So here the 3 images, and if you select the all 3 images by pressing the shift button, but before this select the selection tool here, and to align the image you have to open the align tool. You can see here align tool is showing here and the right side, and if you click here you can expand the option. But maybe in your case if you are not able to see, click here on the window. Here you can see align option is available. Shift plus F7 is the shortcut. Click here, you can see align tool is present here, and if you click here, there is options, show option or hide option. Maybe in your case if you are not able to see other option, just click here and click on the show option. At the right side, make sure that this is selected on the right option. Like first is align to artboard, align to selection and align to key object. So if you click here on the key object, you can see one object is highlighted, so it means this is the key object and all the alignment will be on the basis of this object. Like I'm going to align vertical align to top. You can see all the images align to the this object. I'm going to change the key object, this one. Now I'm going to click here. You can see image is aligned according to this key object, and you can see there is no gap between these 2 images, and you can maintain the gap from here. Select the align to key object option here, and at this point you can see here horizontal distribute space. This is horizontal distribution, so click here on this horizontal distribute space, provide the length. Like I'm going to provide the 0.5 centimeter and click here on this horizontal distribute space. Now you can see your image is distributed the length that you have provided here. So this is very easy to arrange the image in Illustrator. You can use the align panel and you can keep the align panel here, but just left click and drag to this position. This align panel will be added here, and if you want to open, you can open from here, expand panel. You can see all the panel will be expanded from this icon. This is very easy to import the images in the Illustrator, and you can manually adjust the size, and you can also align very precise manner using the align panel. I hope this may help you. So now I'm going to stop my tutorial here, and I will discuss other things in my next tutorial. And thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.